Hi, this is the first video of this series exploring the Odysci Media Analyzer. We will show the initial steps for using the tool, logging in, and selecting social media pages to be monitored. To log in, we can either click on the login button on the home page or go directly to social.odysci.com. We will log in as a demo user previously registered. After logging in, this is the initial screen. Since this is a new user, the screen is empty because we are not monitoring any pages yet. To start off, we need to create a group. Groups are a way to organize the pages you want to monitor. For example, an agency may create a group called Best Candies to monitor pages related to candies, like Hershey's, M&M's, Reese's, etc. And another group called Mobile Carriers to monitor pages like AT&T, Verizon, and so on. You can also associate access permissions between groups and users. So, in order to avoid any type of conflict of interest. So let's create a group. To do that, we click on the plus sign and we put the name of the group. Let's select the group Best Candies. Click on Save, and the group is created successfully. Once the group is created and selected, we need to add social profiles or social pages to be monitored in the group. So you select the group Guest Candies, and the central area here is still empty because we haven't added any profile to be monitored. So now we click on New Page. A window pops up where we can either select a page that the tool is already monitoring, and we have thousands of pages being monitored, or the user can type the name of a new page and the tool will then go to the social network and bring back the pages that match. So for example, let's add the Facebook page Hershey's. So I go here and I type Hershey's. The tool automatically lists the Hershey's pages that we are monitoring, as well as other Hershey's pages that we're not monitoring that may not be related to the brand. So these two at the top, we have data available. We can select these two pages and we click on Add Pages, and the pages are added to the group, right? So let's now add a page that we are not yet monitoring. For example, another candy, the Dove chocolate bar. So we do again a new page and we type Dove chocolate. Do a search, and the tool returns several pages called Dove chocolate. The one we want is the one, say, on Facebook. Once I select this page, this profile to add, the tool asks me to choose a segment. Okay? This segment represents the market segment that the brand belongs to. So for the Dove chocolate, I will choose the market segment called Candies. It's right at the end, Candies US. I'll select and then I'll add a page. Okay. The Odysci Media Analyzer is the only tool that uses this concept of market segment to be able to present data related to competitive analysis. So we have graphs that will bundle together information related to all the pages in the candidate market segment so that you can compare the brand that you are monitoring with the brands in the same market segment. So now we add this page, and then we have now the Dove chocolate along with Hershey's pages to be monitored. Okay. Once a new page is added to the group, the tool will collect this data from the social network and make it available for building the dashboards. If it is a new page that was not being monitored, the tool will automatically bring retroactive data for 1 week by default, but this can be extended if the customer so desires. The next step is to build the dashboards, but that's material for our next video. Thanks, and see you soon.